Today we're diving into the Samsung DC92-01989B washer electronic control board, an essential component for several Samsung washer models, including the WV55M9600AW and WV55M9600AB series. This OEM part is designed to replace faulty or damaged control boards, ensuring your washer operates at peak performance. The DC92-01989B boasts genuine original equipment manufacturer quality, guaranteeing compatibility and reliability. Whether you're experiencing control issues or seeking preventive maintenance, this board is perfect for repairs. Its seamless integration into Samsung washers minimizes downtime and restores full functionality effortlessly. Engineered with precision, the main PCB offers a straightforward installation process, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional technicians alike. Its durable construction and dependable performance align with Samsung's commitment to innovation and durability that if you're looking to restore your washer's functionality with a high-quality replacement part, the Samsung DC92-01989B stands out as an excellent choice. Ensure smooth laundry cycles and peace of mind with this essential component. Discover why the Samsung DC92-01989B is the go-to option for maintaining and repairing Samsung washers.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.